Welcome back, everybody. Today we have got a finish up project. We got to finish up harvesting all these sweet potatoes right here in this row right here. Marcia, she, bless her heart, she tried. She came here and I didn't have time to, and she actually started working on this row, and she harvested some of the largest potatoes, sweet potatoes, that way larger than what I ever harvested. Way larger, huge. So she only got like a few feet. She's pretty close, probably about a third done with the row, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it out for her. She's at work. I wish that she could be with me so we can enjoy this moment together, but you know what, sometimes it is what it is. It's life. So Oh my. I just found the largest sweet potato that I have dug up yet. It might be a little bit smaller than Marcia's that she dug up, but this is the largest one that I have found so far as fat wise. It's huge. Come on. How big is this dude right here? Boy, it still goes down. I don't know how far. This thing is bigger than what I thought. This is right next to my head. The thing is massive. Okay, now that I got the sweet potatoes all dug up, which as you saw, they were enormous. They might give Marcia's great big sweet potatoes that she found, might give them a run for their money. I don't know, but you know what? We worked together really hard on this, and just to be able to reap the rewards from it. So it's just a blessing. I consider it a blessing. So now the next thing I got is, let me get you positioned. The sun is just, it's where it's at. So I'm gonna try to show you the best I can. I got my irrigation lines, as you can tell. I gotta get those things all rolled up. Gotta set them in with the rest of our stuff. Then I gotta cover this row. Hopefully my tarp will fit. I'm just gonna roll this tarp right here. I'm gonna flip it right over. Hopefully it'll fit. If not, then I'll just have to put some straw down. And also likewise with that one there, I'm just gonna flip it right over there. So I'm gonna take that and put it over here. It's really hard to do on the camera. It's totally backwards. So that's my game plan. Hopefully it all works out. If not, then it's all gonna get straw. So gotta get to it. Got a lot of work to do, short amount of time. Let's go. Well, it's a good thing I remembered this row right back behind me with all the straw. I just absolutely remember before I covered it up that is our garlic, and the wife would probably absolutely just be done with me. Oh my gosh. Well, we worked too hard on this row. I can't believe I forgot, but I'm going to move this row here. I'm going to move it over there, and the far one over there, I'm going to see what I can do with that over there. It's kind of, looks like it might be kind of short. So then over here with this small row of sweet potatoes that we just did, I'm going to put straw on it. and I may have to put straw on the other one, on the far one over there. So I don't know, we'll just see what happens. Well, there you have it, folks, right there. Got it all done. The tarp is on, and the only spot I had to do was this first part with the sweet potatoes, and this right here is the garlic row right here. So I'm glad I caught that in time. So I'm finally all finished with it. It took me a little bit. I know that it's went down. I don't know, it's probably been about 30-40 minutes. But I had to move the tarps, get those all out of the way. I had to bring them all over here, both sides. I had to send them all back over that way. So got it all weighed down and everything. Hopefully it'll hold with the cold winter winds that are coming. And so I got the straw on. Looks like I got everything to bed. So this is where I'm going to end the video. I want to thank you all. God bless. I'm tired. I'll talk to you later. Bye.